Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Adel, local and long distance movers near me. When you're relocating within the same state or covering a short distance, it falls under the category of a local move. With such moves appear straightforward, they can be more stressful than they initially appear. There are many problems that local relocations can come with, and the success of your local move depends on how you execute it. You may want to carry it out yourself, but it's best if you hire a professional mover to help you do it. When you hire us at 3 Movers for your move, you should know that our moving process will be seamless. It would be straightforward for everything to be carried out because we always make sure the entire move is organized. So reach out to us now for your local move to Adel. Moving between different states within the United States is hard to do on your own. This requires a lot of experience, and you'll need a professional to help you with your move. So to have a successful move, the best thing for you to do is to hire an expert moving company to help. Our dedicated experts will guarantee the secure transportation of your belongings to your new location. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Adel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.